Motorcycles are under the same laws that govern automobiles. Slippery, sloped, or uneven surfaces, as well as objects in the roadway, present challenges for motorcyclists. The most common cause of accidents for motorcyclists is failure of motorists to detect and recognize motorcycles in traffic. Remember, there are several no zones where the truck driver cannot see you. A truck driver can take as much as 25% longer to stop than usual during adverse weather conditions. When driving behind a truck, stay at least 200 feet behind it and do not tailgate. When driving in front of a truck, stay at least 10 to 20 feet in front of it. Do not stay next to the truck in the blind zone. They cannot see you if they change lanes. This is what would happen if you were to do that. Drivers must yield to any bus or school bus that is re-entering traffic after making a stop. Once they are back with the flow of traffic, drivers do not have to yield to them when changing lanes.